to our distinguished guests, the organizers of this beautiful event, my fellow Queens, and to everyone gathered here tonight. Standing before you today brings back a flood of beautiful memories. 12 years ago, I was as Rina Elena. It was a moment of pride, joy, and deep gratitude. A moment that carried with me as I move forward in life and pursue my dreams. I felt that chapter was a beautiful memory, beautifully kept in the past. That life was a wonderful way of bringing us back to our roots. After 9 long years, to be standing here once again, wearing this crown and holding the title of reigning Elena is a surreal and deeply moving experience. First and foremost, I want to say a heartfelt thank you to the organizers, the committee, and everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event happen. Thank you for reviving this beautiful tradition. Thank you for bringing our community together in such a grand and meaningful way. After more than a decade, we didn't just bring back a pattern or a procession. We brought back a sense of unity, culture, and shared joy that we have always. To my family, my friends, and to everyone who cheered for me 12 years ago and is still cheering for me tonight, thank you. Your love and support have been constant. So working tonight feels different than 12 years ago. Back then, it was all about the excitement of you. Tonight, it is about gratitude, maturity, and honoring the journey that brought me back here. So may this event serve as a reminder of our shared heritage, our resilience, and the beauty of our community. Thank you for this unforgettable honor. Again, I am Daisy Grace and Kalicha.
This way now by 2026, so what education really contributed to the success of this memorable event. So this 48 day of 2026 signed by our representative. May I request our Kamayan coordinator and our mayors on stage. Certificate of representation, small visitor to Honorable Jerry Rohan.
Sino kaya yan? Sukoton? Ay, sukoton sila ka muna aga ha? Palampal ka mo, matao ka mo, mag-uunit ko magpahit magtawan.
Congratulations, candidate number 0.
Oh!
Councilor Marilyn Gallo.
Ay, hindi saan? Second lang ka na tawago kasi kadito ang pang sa atin. Pero kalimut.
Yes, sir, next po ng ating Little Miss May Flores. Tawagin natin ang